Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about valve Nat Gas 24V for DIN part number 8073294. Valve Nat Gas 24V for DIN part number 8073294 is a natural gas valve designed for use with DIN brand appliances. It is a 24-volt valve that is used to control the flow of natural gas to the appliance. The valve is typically installed in the gas line between the appliance and the gas supply line. It has an adjustable pressure regulator that allows for precise control of the flow of natural gas. The valve also has a manual shutoff feature that can be used in case of an emergency. The DIN part number 8073294 is a replacement part for many different models of DIN. This part fixes the following symptoms. This valve is used to regulate the flow of natural gas in a DIN furnace. It helps to ensure that the furnace is operating safely and efficiently by controlling the amount of gas that is released into the system. It can help to prevent overpressurization, which can lead to dangerous conditions. Here is how you install this part. 1. Read the installation instructions that come with the valve. This will provide you with detailed information on how to properly install the valve. 2. Turn off the gas supply to the area where you are installing the valve. 3. Install the valve according to the instructions provided, making sure all connections are secure and leak-free. 4. Connect the 24V power supply to the valve, making sure all connections are secure and leak-free. 5. Turn on the gas supply and test for leaks using a soapy water solution or other approved leak detection method. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.